Hi guys, today I'm sharing my mom's very popular chocolate cake recipe. These are the ingredients you'll need. Now I like using margarine because it makes the cake light and fluffy. Break the chocolate into small pieces and place in a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave the chocolate for 1 to 2 minutes and give it a stir. Now I'm keeping it aside for later. Add in the cocoa powder to your flour and keep it ready. Use an electric mixer to beat the butter and sugar. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. While you're prepping the cake mixture, make sure you preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Sift in the flour mixture and add the chocolate melted milk alternatively while you continue to beat. Make sure all the dry ingredients are mixed in well. And finally, I'm adding in some vanilla essence. Pour the batter into a parchment-lined cake pan. Bake for 35 to 45 minutes. You can check the cake by inserting a knife or a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it's done. Cool for 10 minutes. Remove from the pan and cool completely on a wire rack. To make the frosting, I'm using these ingredients. Beat the thickened cream on medium speed for about 2 minutes. Add in the cocoa powder, the melted chocolate, and vanilla essence. Mix until well combined and add in the butter. Add half the icing sugar and beat on low until the sugar is incorporated. I'm using this for the filling. Spread about 1/3 of the frosting over the top of the first layer. Gently place the second layer on top of the frosting. Add in the rest of the icing sugar and give it a mix. The frosting should be soft and spreadable but not so loose that it doesn't hold its shape. Spread the chocolate frosting over the top and sides of the cake. Now I think a good chocolate cake is supposed to be a little messy, so the frosting doesn't have to be perfect. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you happen to try it, please leave a comment. Thank you.